హాయ్ వేర్స్ ఇది ఈరోజు డక్కన్ క్రానికల్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ మెయిన్ హెడ్లైన్స్ వెడ్నెస్డే 30 జూన్ 2021. Property registration values to rise in state. Rates likely to increase by 30% to 400%. NIA will probe drone attack on Jammu and AFS. Investigating agency to probe 30 incidents of drone infiltration. High-level meet plans, drone rules. SC Islam Center on Labour portal. Rahul says no meeting fixed with Sindhu. RBI imposes 1.1 crore fine on Mahesh Bank. Moderna vaccine gets nod. State hopes to raise 2,500 crore from 13 land parcels. Land auctions find many takers. Smugglers feast on rice for poor. Cops register many cases of illegal transport. Women medic dies by suicide in Hyderabad. IITH develops smallest microscope. 51% property deals done at more than gout value. Chart bond is back to beach. Woodies have fun time. GHMC presents 5,600 crore budget. Open members object to fund allocation as public grievances have not been addressed over the years. Toss CII SSC inter candidates pause. Second year inter online classes from July 1. Three held for death of auto driver in city. Hyderabad students develop oxygen concentration. GUV announced Chancellor's Awards. Code cases spike in Khammam. Amazon starts new delivery system for Prime members. India ties were intact in last 7 years US. Degree admissions open from July 1st. Admissions for undergraduate degree courses are set to commence from July 1st, whereas classes for the first year students will begin on September 1. An official release said as per the schedule released on Tuesday, registration for the first phase of administrations will start on July 1st and go on till July 15. Students can exercise their web option from July 3rd to July 16 following which the first phase of seat allotment will be made on July 22. Application will have to undergo orientation their colleges from August 23rd to August 31st, following which the first semester classwork will commence. From September 1st this year, more than 4 lakhs college seats are expected to be an officer through degree online services Telangana Dost, for which there will be 3 admissions phases. Paddy procurement hits record 92 LMTS. Rabi season again increased by hoping 594%. EMIM calls on DGP for action on cow vigilance. Man with the 50 just cases held again. Guduru wants KCR adopt relief colonies. See this picture, very interesting picture. Congrats MLA Sitaka appeals the Tilak to new TPCC chief A. Revant Reddy in Hyderabad on Tuesday. She bought the Tilak in hug convoy from the famous Sammakka Saralamma temple in Medaram along with Congress leader and activist. Sleepless rights started for KCR, says TPCC chief. KTR downgraded Hyderabad status Revant. New state Congress chief A. Revant Reddy said that sleepless night and began for Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. With his appointment, the doors of Pragati Bhavan opened for opposition leader when the Congress High Command named me PCC President. Revant Reddy said, corruption has reached peak level. Police officers have been transferred frequently by paying bribes to the TRS leaders, he alleged. Revant Reddy was speaking at function at the Malkasgiri MP's office, where Congress MLA Sitaka reached on Tuesday in a hug convoy from the Medaram Sammakka Saralamma temple. To greet him, the holy tilakam to Revant Reddy and tied a Rakhi that she had brought from the temple. Accepting the offering, Revanth Reddy said we would be strained to fight against the TRS government by the spirit of Sambakka Saralamma, who fought against the Kakatiya rulers during the Telugu Desham and Congress regimes elected representatives in local bodies got due respected, but now they have been made silent, silent specters. He said Congress chief Sonia Gandhi had granted Telangana state, but power went into the hands of political dacoits. He alleged for the safety for future generations of Telangana state. TRS should be thrown outside. Revanth Reddy said that Congress High Command had pursued the party's seniors in Telangana state and made him TPCC president to fight for the people to end the misrule of TRS. Liberate Telangana state is the need of the hour. He said MLA Sitaka said that Congress High Command had appointed Revanth Reddy based on cadre interest party activists strongly believed in the leadership Revanth Reddy and has an action plan bring the Congress into power in 2023, she said. The CM started a new drama, a Dalit empowerment, but TRS government has failed to give 3 acres to Dalits, has forcibly taken back assignment lands allotted to them, she pointed out. Next, road widening its sculpture. Vehicle with 132 chalanas cut. Man arrested for 1.96 crore fraud. Rain flooded city roads. Afternoon downpour throws traffic completely out of gear. Minority spent car off in limbo. Go to Steve's body of funds. Stop not paid pays termination. One held for running fake. Education center. 20 lakhs for Gutka. Tobacco seized. SC notice to discoms over division of staff. Women cops campaign for safe net for kids. Hook like in chicken prices. Deccan Chronicle, total articles here. FMS stimuli but poor need immediate aid. In COVID crisis, SC forces center to share vital info. Online classes, Jammu and signals. Sales of land. No has to slip on Bangladesh. Modi Kashmir plan present Pak with fate. Accompli post delimitation. Delimitation. Deshmukh skips ED Samman sitting. Pandemic. Hours after his arrest, LET militant killed in encounter. LET commander's family has turned killing extrajudicial murder. Delhi police team in Jammu to study attack. Nadda says WB win is long jump. White tiger elephant test VG for COVID. Kangan drone attacks act and experts advise. Rawat reviews lock situation. Sikh girls Denny for civil conversion. Nation. SC refuses to postpone CA exam. 6 OPT out scheme. Corbett to have round the year tourism. Powerful approach. Twitter faces more heat hour. Depositing destroyed India map. Delhi cops register case for alleged access a child pornography is platform panel 6 Twitter's reply. Uttarakhand extends curfew till July 6. Assam open quarantine during pandemic. Nadda. TN working to more nuclear reactors begins. Assam over 34k kids infected by COVID during second wave. US to spend big to counter China. $250 Bitcoin no boost American competitiveness. XA hands out medals amid celebrations. Russia target investigative journalist. Red Cross warns Indonesia faces COVID-19 catastrophe. Aged to OZ adults for rapid rolled. Virus outbreak in FIGAT's health system. ArgPac to act against Ultras India tells UN. Israel SFM off to UAE for IST state visit. Busan former mayor jailed for sex abuse. SUKY bid to disqualify taxonomy demand. Two Americans apologies for role in Goshen escape. Russian daily toll it 652. Chinese wax effective and children say study. EU asylum applications dropped due to COVID-19. This is totally Deccan Chronicle newspaper main headlines. Thank you.